Off the coast of Australia lies the largest coral reef in the world, the Great Barrier Reef. The Great Barrier Reef provides habitat for thousands of species of marine life while also providing humans with an economic opportunity in the fishing and tourism industries. This extremely important ecosystem is currently under threat due to ocean acidification caused by climate change. Coral reefs are in general one of the most diverse ecosystems on the planet. As CO2 is absorbed by the ocean, the water becomes less alkaline and thus creates problems for species that require carbonate to build their corals or shells. Coral within the Great Barrier Reef have already been experiencing bleaching events due to increased temperatures. With ocean acidification, those same corals will struggle to rebuild their skeletons. As stated before, carbonate will decrease and bicarbonate will increase with ocean acidification. As corals become vulnerable under these conditions, the chance they perish is more likely. With the decrease in habitats for marine life, the economic value of the reef will surely decrease. According to a report by Deloitte, a financial consulting firm, estimated that the reef provided $6.4 billion and 64,000 jobs to the Australian economy in the 2015 to 2016 fiscal year. These numbers refer to tourism, commercial fishing, and recreation. With the decline in the health of the reefs due to ocean acidification continuing in the coming years, these industries are still threatened. The only seemingly available option to save the Great Barrier Reef and reefs across the world is to decrease CO2 emissions drastically, as it is the main contributor to ocean acidification. About 30% of CO2 emitted is absorbed by the oceans.